if we do not fix it or come up with a solution, that's graft because we were inefficient. So on that point naman, Secretary, I think aligned naman tayo with Malacanang na come up with a solution. And if the fastest is nangyari na yun, by the way, sir. May isang administrasyon hindi ginagawa yung road dike C6 kasi yung contractor butas-butas. So pag take over ng isang administrasyon, inano na to, sinabi niya, edi habulin na lang yon. So I think you will have the proper legal advice. But finding who was, I'll really stop at this, di ba? Ulit-ulitin ko yung findings natin sa criminology because it is in line with biblical principles, no? Ang sabi sa criminology, it is not the amount of jail time or the gravity of the penalty. It is the certainty that that you will get caught and you will be punished. Which is the same if you read the book of Romans. It's not enough that government promote good. They have to incentivize yung gumawa ng good and punish those who did bad. It works eh. It's anong itatanim mo, yan ang aanihin mo. If those people who do bad get promoted, get rich, become politicians, then they will do that. Diba? So, but anyway, thank you very much to the upper echelons and everyone from DPWH. Sa lahat ng nag-travel from Region 2, COA, and pati yung mga retired, maraming salamat. And then, yun nga sir, kung meron kayong napansin dito na gusto nyo sagitin, you can do it on writing. No? So we will suspend the hearing and I'll probably not have a hearing muna. We can do the technical working group and wait for the other senators after the midterm election. So thank you very much. God bless you. The hearing is hereby suspended.